In this video, I will show you how you can edit videos on any Samsung tablet. Now for an example, I will record a video and I will show you how you can edit that video. Now for an example, this is a video which I am recording. Now to edit videos on your Samsung tablet, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Once the app is downloaded, just tap on open and select agree and continue. Now from here, just select the type of content which you want to create using this app. Then tap on start. Now to edit videos, just tap on new video over here and select allow all. Now from the gallery app, just select the video which you want to edit. As you can see, this is the video which we have recorded. Now I will select this video and tap on add. Now as you can see, this is the timeline of the video. Now if you want to crop the video, you can do it from here. And also if you want to split the video from the middle, you can use the split tool and you will be able to split the video. And you can remove the central part of the video, just like that. Now this is a professional tool, so you can apply background music, you can apply text effects, and many other options. Now after you edit the video, now to export the video, just tap on export. Then select done. As you can see, we have successfully exported the video and you will be able to find your edited video in the gallery app. If you open the gallery app, as you can see, this is the video which we have edited. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.